In this video, you'll learn how to export a Notion page as a PDF. First, open the page that you want to export. In the top right corner, click on the three dots to open the menu. From here, select Export. In the export settings, choose PDF as the format. You can now adjust a few options before exporting. Under Include Content, you can decide if you want to export everything or exclude files and images. If the page has databases, you can choose to include the current view or the default view. Next, select the page format, such as A4, A3, letter, legal, or tabloid. You can also adjust the scale if needed, but leaving it at 100% works fine in most cases. Once everything is set, click on Export. A save window will appear, allowing you to choose where to download the file. Give it a name, select your folder, and click Save. After the download finishes, open the folder to find your exported PDF file. This is a quick and easy way to export any Notion page as a PDF for sharing or printing. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to subscribe and check out more Notion tips on this channel.